Hi, I'm Erika with the Woolery, and today we're going to show you how to put Texsolv Heddles on your Schacht Inkle Loom. Alright, so to get started, you're going to need, obviously, your Schacht Inkle Loom, a bundle of 220mm Texolv Heddles, which are the ones that are designed to work with the Schacht Inkle Loom and only your Schacht Inkle Loom, and a sharp pair of scissors. Okay, so when you get your Texolv Heddles from us, they will come in a bundle much like this. They'll have another tie strap on them. And the end result that we want is for it to look like this when we're done. So we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first, when you receive your bundle, you want to find the end, and then you want to pull it out and give yourself enough to be able to cut. So on the Heddles, you'll notice you have a big loop, the center, the eye, kind of looks like a ladder, and another big loop. And then between that big loop and the next big loop, there is a small little loop, kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And all you're going to do is snip it, and now you've got a Heddle ready to be put on your loom. So on the Heddles, you have a big loop, you have the eye, or the center, some people call it a ladder, another big loop, and then between this Heddle and the next Heddle is the smaller loop right here where you're going to cut, right in the middle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and warp the loom in preparation for your first Heddle. So you're going to go over the Heddle peg and then wrap it around your pegs. And then I like to secure it on my tensioning peg here so that I can get my Heddle on there and not lose my string. Okay, so first you're going to take your Heddle and you're going to place it over this top warp thread, like so. And then what you're going to do is bring your loops together, but also open them up so that they're still caught on that top warp thread. Now you've got your loop here, and what I'm going to do is place it around your Heddle peg, like so. This eliminates the need for tying at the bottom. So the next thread is going to be unheddled, so I'm going to go ahead and release it from my tensioning peg and continue warping it, going under the first peg and around again. So you'll notice that the heddled threads are stationary, which allows the unheddled threads to create your top shed and your bottom shed. Alright, so I hope this helps answer any questions you may have about putting your Texsolv Heddles on your Schacht Inkle Loom. If you do have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or catch us in chat, and we'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.